Here's how Airtel and Jio users can maximize their 5G experience. As Airtel and Jio continue to expand their 5G networks across India, users are beginning to experience the enhanced speeds and lower latency that 5G offers compared to 4G. This upgrade is particularly beneficial for activities such as gaming and live streaming, which require robust and rapid data transmission. While most modern smartphones are designed to switch between 4G and 5G to conserve battery life, this automatic switching can sometimes hinder network performance during data-intensive tasks. To ensure that you're consistently connected to 5G, follow this simple guide. Before you begin, verify that there are no 5G network issues in your area to avoid connectivity issues. Ensure that your data plan includes 5G coverage. Both Airtel and Jio currently offer select 4G plans with unlimited 5G data for eligible smartphones. Steps to stay connected to 5G. On most Android phones, navigate to Settings, Connections or Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then go to Network Mode. Select 5G only to keep your phone locked to the 5G network. Enable VO 5G, Voice over 5G, ensuring that both voice and video calls utilize the 5G network. If your phone has a Smart 5G or 4G 5G auto switch option, disable this feature to prevent frequent network switching. If you encounter any network issues while set to 5G only, you can switch back to the 4G 5G auto mode for more stable coverage. By adjusting these settings, Airtel and Jio users can fully harness the capabilities of their 5G networks, ensuring a seamless and high-performance mobile experience whenever 5G coverage is available.